Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can clean your dashboard easily. So I'm going to use this dashboard cleaner. My wife bought it from Temu, I believe. And I'm going to use this sponge to clean up all my dashboard. So let's see.
Yep.
Stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone. Just to find some way that finally feels like home. I hate all this overthinking. The more I swim, the more I'm thinking. Take me to a world of silver, no more heartbreaks.
So this is how my dashboard looks now after I clean it up with this dashboard filler. So this is how my dashboard looks after I clean it up with this dashboard cleaner. One thing you have to be careful is be careful with this cleaner because you can stain this brighter color over here, this brighter panel. I have to clean that up after I'm finishing with this video. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.